师父和无上师电视台团队圣人好，最近开始播放无上师电视台4万兆介面，太不可思议了，竟能解放当地的无形的禁锢。我体验到好多众生被释放出，还有好多众生高兴到办宴庆祝。我还发现替恒河沙数的众生祷告，念最有力量的每日祈祷文，配合努力打坐，方能让无上师电视台加大版的火力全开。家中开始播放无上师电视台加大版后，我在内在体验中看到很多周围的人，以及根本不可能出现在体验中的人，被佛菩萨消业障的画面，也有看到亲人是笑咪咪的。播放几星期之后，我参加新地道场的禅一，内在体验连连，真是不可思议。最大的震撼是开始播放无上师电视台加大版的第二天晚上，我准备3台播放工具播放。当我关内在天堂光打坐完，要关内在天堂音的刹那，十分震撼。左面的声音瞬间如同炸弹爆炸一般，把我整个人双手双脚瞬间弹开，就差没跳起来。这样的威力让我惊讶不已，但我知道这是无上师电视台加大版释出的神奇威猛力量。随后继续关内在天堂音，就非常平静了，感谢上帝。以上是我个人播放无上师电视台加大版所发生的不可思议事迹，希望更多同修能多加运用这上帝赐予的好利器。无上师电视台加大版帮助恒河沙数的众生得弥勒大佛的恩典，早日脱离生死苦海。由衷感谢伟大至高的终极名师，感谢无上师电视台团队。来自台湾福尔摩沙婉璇敬上。
Enthusiastic Wan Xuan, thank you for sharing your amazing experience with Supreme Master TV Maxx. We have heard many incredible stories of transformation from those who have used this remarkable tool. May many more people around the globe utilize Supreme Master TV Maxx to bless their lives and uplift the consciousness of the world. May you and the resilient Taiwanese or Formosan people receive all the blessings from heaven in your daily lives. Supreme Master TV team. P.S. Master has some insights to share with you. Joyous Wan Xuan, heaven has granted us much grace and inspiration to help facilitate a spiritual awakening on this planet. The Supreme Master TV Maxx tool is a highly effective way for individuals to bless the world and transform the negativity on Earth. We can all participate in the creation of a global network of light that will elevate and protect humanity through the use of this blessing. May as many people as possible take these simple actions and do our part to uplift themselves and those around us. Thank you for practicing well and sharing your good experiences. May you and forward-thinking Taiwan or Formosa bask in the Buddha's light, sending you a tender embrace and lots of love.
The ramifications of consuming and using animals are the primary cause of our planet's climate and environmental crisis. Stop being indifferent and make the connection. Joe Fredericks, vegan.
We welcome your hotlines, stories, and/or cute loving animal people clips. Please send them via suprememastertv.com/hotline.